Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Noi lam kaliang persya kayeng dorbar thawaan ka Meghalaya Dr. Mukul Sangma hak arpulai trik ujembang arja pesan ula takran ting ya Sorkar Pdeng bat ik Sorkar Jylla halor ka Jingpet Slam ban Pynkut no Jingeh bat iki kenrum hapok skul ba North Eastern Hill University ka dai ka kamram juga Sorkar Pdeng bat ka Sorkar Jylla ban syong bat ban wat iki lat kilinti khang ban Pynkut iki kenrum baro ong usang ma ha kajing keran bikila pathai kubor ula ong ba kajing pat slam ban weng ya kijing badang Pdeng ha skul ba Nehu kan kita om tang ya kanam ba kaburam jak skul ba ka bahap hapo kajing kemi jak Sorkar Pdeng ya ka baro kijus ngau sarong.
State government as well as the union government to sit together and find out all those irritants which probably is the reason for whatever is happening. It is not something which is really pleasant to discuss even, because from what I hear from all sides. Therefore, delay in resolving has lots of negative ramification, uncertainty for the students, and the overall reputation, and it has its own resultant ramification on the branding and name and fame of this, I must say, a university of which we used to take pride, North East Hill University. Is it not a university which we should be proud of? Therefore, is it not necessary for the government, both the state and union government, to resolve this issue? It is their responsibility. They must do it. How they do it, how it should be done, I don't want to elaborate because it is somehow not very pleasant. Therefore, it is urged upon both the union government and the state government to ensure that this problem is resolved once for all, and the name and fame of the university is not allowed to be defaced.